How to import AliExpress products to Zendrop. In this video, we're going to be talking about AliExpress and how you can import all of its products to Zendrop in the easiest way. Now, as we know, AliExpress is one of the most used e-commerce stores out there, and it's one of the best e-commerce stores that is viable for drop shipping, okay? And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the number one drop shipping app out there, Zendrop, okay? And we're going to be importing the products from AliExpress to Zendrop, okay? And I'm going to be telling you how you're going to do it in the easiest way. But to start things off, we're going to go ahead and sign up with my Zendrop. So to start things off, you're going to click on Get Started Now on Zendrop.com. Now here, it's going to be asking us to register. So to register myself, I'm going to be using a temp mail. But what you can do is just use your proper email. I'm only using a temp mail because I am creating a temporary account on Zendrop. But obviously, if you're doing this for the long run, I would not recommend, having this for yourself. So I'm going to copy this up and we're going to go ahead and write in our name. Once we do that, I'm going to add in my email. And once we have done that, we're going to go ahead and enter our password. Now, once you've done that, you're going to click on create an account. And after clicking on create an account, Zendrop basically brings you to their upsell page where they say get a pre-built store totally for free. Okay, you can claim the special offer, but I'm going to go ahead and decline it and bring myself to the main Zendrop section. Okay, here it might ask you a few questions, but I'm going to go ahead and skip those. Here it says, hey, let's connect your Shopify store to Zendrop. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and, skip that. And we're going to talk about how you're going to go ahead and basically get your products from AliExpress to your Zendrop. Now, this is basically how you find your general products, as you can see over here. So we have, the general dropshipping products that you can choose off from here. Now, in the case you do want to go ahead and get your AliExpress products, you're going to come over to Extras. Now in Extras, you have branding, bundles, request a product, trending products, and so on more. So we have these new features called request a product where you can easily go ahead and sync your AliExpress to your Zendrop. And Zendrop even gives you an add-on or an extension that you can add for yourself. And, after adding this extension, you can go over to AliExpress and import your products easily into your store central, okay? And even in Zendrop's very own forum, you can see now you can sell all your favorite products even if they're not on Zendrop. If you can't find it in their product library, you can go ahead and import it from AliExpress, okay? So basically, choose any product off of AliExpress. Let's say I'm going to go with this one, the Zendrop S56 Bluetooth speaker. And once you've chosen your product, you can come over to this section. And I'm going to go over the trending products. Let's say I'm going to write here. Bluetooth speaker. Okay. Now, once you go ahead and write this down for yourself, what you can moreover do is simply wait for the product to load in. Shouldn't take a lot of time. And once obviously the product loads in, what you can do over here is you can reference it with your AliExpress product. So let's say I have this product over here for Zendrop. Obviously they're not the same product, but you can go ahead and match the price for the same mainframe. So we have this, the Levitation Bluetooth speaker. And as we can see, this is $30, which almost, marks up the price for the speaker, if we match it up with the shipment and all. So, we have a better markup for the speaker. And, you get different bundles for different variations. And including the shipping, it goes up to 61.96. And obviously on AliExpress, we saw the price, which was 18,000 PKR. So if we go ahead and convert this price from 18,000 PKR to USD, we can see the price is $64. And yeah, this markup is pretty much as close as you can get to this markup over here. So once you like the product, what you can do is you can, whatever store you've connected to your Zendrop, You can make your own catalog from that section by choosing the same image that you have on AliExpress. And you can, even go ahead and get the same description off if you want to for the Zealot speaker. And, once you get this whole description, you can finally import it to your store. And, you have a proper AliExpress product now that you can sell through your Zendrop providers or shippers. And, this is basically how general drop shipping works. And this is how you can get a pretty clear-cut idea of how drop shipping goes on. So, yeah, that is pretty much all there is when it comes to using AliExpress with your Zendrop. Now, if you did enjoy this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that was all from me. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.